you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop.
Bienvenue mes chers amis dans ma chaîne. Je m'appelle Fumi B et je suis nigériane, un YouTuber au Nigeria, et j'aime faire des vidéos sur des bricolages à la maison, sur comment coudre des vêtements à la maison aussi. Si vous êtes intéressé en ce que j'ai dit, abonnez-vous sur ma chaîne en cliquant sur subscribe. Bienvenue dans ma chaîne. You guys, I'm just goofing around this morning. I just wanted to show off my French speaking skills to you guys. If you are francophone and maybe for some reason you understand English and you're subscribed to my channel, let me know down in the comment section. I really just want to know the types of people that are subscribed to my channel. So if you're francophone and you're subscribed to my channel, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you are Nigerian and for some reason you understand French, let me know. So I'm a French enthusiast, right? Like, I love the language. My mom, actually, fun fact, my mom was a French teacher when she was alive. She taught French for over 25 years, and you know, she kept trying to make me and my siblings understand the language. I think among us, I think I was the one that was still kind of relatively good at the language. My brothers understood, but I don't think they were so passionate about it. And when I went to the university as well, I learned the language for a while, and then I think I did it for a year and then dropped it. But yeah, I'm so big on skill development and everything, and I decided, you know, instead of just fapping, because I know I do YouTube, but there's so much more to me than all the things I share on YouTube, right? Just making clothes, making headgears, vlogging and all of that. I decided to be taking lessons on how to learn a new language, basically, and the language I chose was French, and it's been so fun so far. Anyway, I know I might be making mistakes, so correct me if I've been throwing some ibons in French. Let me know down in the comment section. Welcome back to another vlog. I know you guys can see that my hair is looking hella crazy right now, and the reason why it's looking like this is because in today's vlog I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to go and get my hair together. Okay, I told you guys in the very first vlog of the year that I found a particular place that they seem to know what they are doing, you know, when it comes to making hair. And yeah, I'm going there today again to get my hair cornrowed. I told you guys as well in that particular vlog that I'm a cornrow girl, and I don't see myself changing anytime soon. At least the way my life is set up right now, that's the easiest thing to do, right? Because I wear wigs a lot and I don't know how to cornrow my hair. I'm not one of those people that will come and tell you. I do a lot of things except weaving my hair. I don't know how to weave my hair to save my life, so I go there from time to time for them to do stuff on my hair. And you know, it's so funny how I feel like 2020 me is judging me right now, like, Fumbi, what are you doing? In 2020 I was so proud of the fact that I do my hair, I manage my hair by myself, but I beg, this life I can't keep myself for. I found a place and I love them. They don't stress my life. I don't talk too much when I go there. I literally just keep my mouth shut and allow them to do their thing. And yeah, so far it's been 2 months now, and I like the vibe I'm getting there. So I'm going there this morning, and you guys might be coming with me. I'll bring you guys along, do my hair, and that's pretty much it. That's the plan for today. So this weekend is a laid back weekend. Today is Friday, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned today is Friday, so I plan to vlog today and tomorrow, just giving you guys my weekend kind of routine, just to share it on here. I've been having so much fun with these vlogs, and I hope that this ginger is not just initial gra. I hope I stay this motivated throughout the year and see how it goes. Okay, I'm just going with the flow and allowing God take the wheel. Let me go and get shower, because I've not had my bath. I've not done anything. I want to shower, get my hair together, then we can head out quickly to go get my hair done. So I'm here now and I'm about to go inside. The road was relatively free, so yeah, let's get going.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand.
All right, guys, so I'm done, and the kind of sun that is shining in Port Harcourt today, it's not for the faint at heart. Okay, I'm headed home now. I'm so hungry, but most likely I'll just go home and make lunch for myself, and then I'll keep talking to you guys. Today is Friday, like I said, so for the most part, for the remaining part of the day is just to relax and chill. then most likely I'll just chill as well tomorrow, Saturday, but we'll find out as we go along together. I plan to spend the weekend with you guys, so let's go home. You guys, so I'm back inside, and you remember that I told you that they know what they're doing in that particular salon. I hope I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you about my newfound love here in Port Harcourt. They've been doing a fantastic job right from January up until now with my hair, and I hope that things stay or even improve going forward. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys as well are having a great day. What I want to do now, like I mentioned on my way here, is I want to eat. I'm hungry, okay? I've been holding my body. My body has gotten to the stage where it's almost like it's about to start shaking for food. So I'm going to quickly whip up lunch. I might not come back to talk to you guys again today because I have a lot of work to do actually. And yeah, I'll just go ahead, get those set of tasks. I'm going to get them done and then just relax for the remaining part of today. Tomorrow is Saturday. It's supposed to be a chilled Saturday. I don't have any big planned out for the day, but we'll see. Like I said, this vlog is a weekend vlog, so the idea is to spend the weekend with you guys. Okay, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey you guys, happy Saturday. Today is Saturday and it's been such a busy day for me. I've been out twice today and this is going to be my third outing. I'm going to see one of my many mothers. You guys, when I lost my mom, one of my prayers was just God providing me with people that would always like remind me of my mom, and God has been so faithful to me when it comes to that aspect of things. Like I have so many mommies, like I'm not lacking in that mommy department, and it's so beautiful and it just makes me know that I'm not alone. Anyway, I'm going to see one of my Port Harcourt mommies, and yeah, that's where I'm headed to. Of course, I'm not going to go with my camera because that would be me, you know, invading people's privacy, and you know, it's not cool. We're not going to be doing that ever, right? Anyway, so I just thought to pop on here and say what's up. You guys, I'm wearing this my braided headband. The tutorial on this headband, this outfit I'm wearing, everything is on the channel, okay? I always provide you guys with quality content. I won't show you what I will not wear, okay? I won't show you how to make something that I wouldn't wear. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing how to make this or this outfit, okay, feel free to go check out those videos. I'm going to see if I can link them on the screen for you guys. Anyway, I'll probably come talk to you guys when I get back from where I'm going. It's currently like 4 p.m. here and I won't be back until maybe like 6-7-ish. I'll see how long the gist carries us. Anyway, hope you guys are doing well, and yeah, see ya. Hey you guys, so I'm back home now and I'm currently trying to upload tomorrow's video. What I'm uploading tomorrow is the turban that I wore in the last vlog, the vlog where I was wearing a green dress and I was carrying you guys up and down. Yeah, that vlog, the knot turban, that's what I'm trying to. I already did the voiceover and everything in the morning before stepping out, but remember I said I was going to see someone earlier on, so I got back like a few minutes ago. I did stuff around the house, so now it's time for me to basically schedule my video so that tomorrow evening it will go live. So yeah, you guys should check it out. If you have not watched it yet, go and watch it. I said let me come and say what's up. What's up my people? I hope you guys are having a great evening. I'm going to go to church tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday and that should be fun. Most likely once I'm done talking to you guys right now is until sometime tomorrow before I talk to you guys, and most likely I'll be wrapping up the vlog in that particular video.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly.
Hi you guys, so this video has been going on and on. You guys saw me going to church earlier on and it's currently like 7:30 p.m. and it's time to end this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some parts of the weekend with me. I know most times whenever people say they're vlogging, it's impossible to vlog like 24 hours, multiple 24 hours, right? Like this vlog now, I started since Friday. Imagine doing 72 hours with you guys. That would be crazy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed spending bits and pieces of my weekend with me. If you did, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. I know I'm sweating, like I've had a very intense day, but we give thanks and praise to Jesus for everything. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching, like I said earlier, please be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you're watching and you're yet to be subscribed to my channel, please pause this video right now and smash the subscribe button, okay? Smash it. It's not going to cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Hit the subscribe button, join us. I share videos like this from time to time, and other times when I'm not doing this, I share videos where I show you how to make cute little pieces from the comfort of your home or from your business space. I share how to make cute pieces from anywhere you are. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video, and yeah guys, I can't wait to see you in another one. Bye.